Hi, in today's lesson you will learn how to use adjectives as nouns when you want to talk about a group of people who share the same characteristic or quality. For example, the wealthy or the elderly. When you talk about these groups, you can use the plus the adjective. For example, the rich instead of rich people. You never add s to these adjectives, even though there is more than one person in the group. For example, the poor are disadvantaged in life, not the poors are disadvantaged in life. When the adjective being used as a noun is the subject of a verb, you use the plural form of the verb. For example, the young don't respect the elderly enough. Here the verb is don't and is the plural form of the verb instead of using the singular form doesn't. If you want to talk about a more specific group of people, you put an adverb or another adjective in front of the noun. For example, the highly educated or the very sick. If you want to talk about two groups, you sometimes omit the. For example, there is an even greater divide between rich and poor. Nationality adjectives that end in ch, sh, se or ss can be used as nouns, such as the French, the British, the Chinese and the Swiss. You can also use ordinal numbers and superlatives as nouns, such as the first, the third, the last, the best, the longest, and the most expensive. Remember, when you want to refer to the quality of something rather than to the thing itself, you can use the appropriate adjective. Sometimes it's used with the and sometimes without the. You need to learn these uses. Remember, don't try to achieve the impossible. You'll only be disappointed. Or there's some good in all of us. So now it's your turn. Which sentences are correct? You can always rely on a French to produce excellent food. 2. This is the closest we've come to success. 3. Charities do a lot of the good for people in need. 4. Jack is always the first to admit when he's wrong. 5. A rich can afford to buy lots of expensive things. And 6. The cheapest isn't always the worst quality. Write your answers down below and I promise to give you feedback on your answer. So that's it for today. I hope you feel more confident using adjectives as nouns. Remember to like this video if you found it useful, share it with your friends and colleagues learning English, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new lessons that come out, and hit the bell so you get notified when they do. Take care and see you very soon. Bye bye.